I invested rupees 50,000 in the month of June, and this is exactly what I bought and why. So first I invested 30,000 in a Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. This is a US based ETF, and slowly I'm trying to increase my exposure beyond India to global markets. And this specific fund has US top 500 companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, all AI and tech giants. My idea is simple here, to just keep doing the SIP and let my money grow over time through long-term compounding. Plus, one more point that I'd like to share. My SIP amount was slightly higher in this ETF in the earlier months, but since the US markets are trading at their all-time high, I have reduced that amount a bit. Plus, when you invest in the US market, you also get exposure to dollar, which means over time you're not only dependent on the rupee. Second, I've also invested 20,000 rupees in a global copper ETF, which invests in global companies that are mining or producing copper. Copper is interesting to me because its global demand is going to rise by 40 to 50% by 2040, driven by AI, solar, EVs, and electrification trends. So I'm looking at it from a long-term perspective. Now I'm sharing this data very transparently with you because I want you all to see the actual real thought process behind making or taking such investing decisions and not just the end result. And just to be clear, this is not an investment advice at all. This is simply what I personally choose to do.